If you're looking to customize dashboards in teamwork.com to match your team's unique workflow and needs, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to personalize your dashboard, making sure your most important data is always within reach. And stick around until the end, because I'll also share how you can get access to Teamwork for free with an exclusive bonus through the link below. First things first, teamwork.com is a powerful project management tool that makes collaborating with your team seamless. One of its standout features is the customizable dashboard, allowing you to prioritize tasks, monitor project progress, and keep everyone on the same page. So how exactly do you get your dashboard looking exactly how you want it? To start customizing your dashboard, simply head over to the dashboard section in your Teamwork workspace. From here, you can add widgets that display the information most important to you, whether it's project status, upcoming tasks, or team member assignments. You can customize each widget to focus on specific projects or departments, and even select how you want that data displayed. Want to see a list of tasks sorted by priority? No problem. Just add the tasks widget and you'll be able to sort them however you like. Another great feature Teamwork offers is the ability to resize and rearrange these widgets. If you want a certain widget to take up more space, like the task overview, simply drag and drop it to your preferred location and adjust the size to fit your needs. This drag and drop interface makes it super easy to arrange your dashboard without any technical hassle. Now, if you're working on multiple projects, you'll appreciate the ability to create custom filters. By using filters, you can streamline what appears on your dashboard, ensuring you're only seeing the information that's relevant to your current work. You can filter by project, team member, task status, or even by date. This is especially useful if you're juggling multiple projects at once and want to focus on one at a time without distractions. Teamwork also lets you customize how your data is visualized. Whether you prefer graphs, pie charts, or simple lists, there are multiple display options to suit your preference. Plus, you can set up your dashboard to automatically update in real time, so you're always seeing the latest information without needing to refresh it manually. This is key to staying on top of deadlines and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. For those who prefer to share dashboards with team members, Teamwork makes it easy to save your customized dashboard as a template. Once you've set up a dashboard that works for you, save it as a template, and others in your organization can use the same layout, making it simple to keep everyone on the same page. One of the best parts of customizing dashboards in Teamwork is the ability to streamline your workflow. By having key project data visible at all times and being able to personalize how it's displayed, you can make your workday more efficient. You'll be able to stay organized and focus on what matters most without being distracted by unnecessary details. And if you're new to Teamwork, there's no better time to try it out. You can get started completely free with an exclusive bonus by using the link in the description below. With this offer, you'll have full access to the software's core features for an extended free trial, so you can explore all the customization options without committing to anything upfront. By the end of this video, you should have a much clearer idea of how to customize your dashboard in teamwork.com to boost your productivity and enhance your team's collaboration. So go ahead, dive into those settings and start customizing today.